Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Voice of Animals and Awareness. At first, it is my humble request to all of you to become aware and conscious of environment pollution, which causing troubles to human as well as animals and birds. We should always protect and preserve the environment from various type of pollution. Pollution is one of the major source of destruction of environment. Environment pollution is defined as the contamination of the physical and biological component of the earth or atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. There are various sources of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and various other pollution. We should always try to stop this type of pollution by any means so that the world can be a greener and a better place for human and animals. As we know, an unclean environment leads to a bad deterioration condition of a society in the form of a contagious diseases, etc. So, it is essential to maintain a healthy ecosystem and pollution-free environment. Tree plantation is one of the consequential ways to combat the escalating environmental pollution. Several factors have contributed over the year to bring about the crisis that we are facing today, like thoughtless deforestation, agriculture expansion, encroachment on forest land, land development, irresponsible industrial practice. The list is endless. Tree plantation is the process of transferring of seedling from one place to another for different purposes. Furthermore, there are various reasons behind tree plantation, but the most important are forestry, land reclamation, and landscaping. Each process of tree plantation is important and unique in its own way. Due to environment pollution, animals also face various problems for survival in this earth. Today, I'm going to produce few more sound. In many countries, it is found that pigs are carried to market for killing and selling, and pig feel that their time come to end very shortly, and they express their feeling by howling like. Now enjoy sound of kitten or baby cat. At the age of 2 to 3 days, they cannot even open their eyes properly, but they try to respond or call their mother while getting hungry. Viewers, if you like my video, please like, share, and of course subscribe my channel, Voice of Animals and Awareness. Thank you.